That's a channel, and again, it says weir. So that's a type of weir question. Upstream, the energy is this one. The height of weir is this number. The width is 7 meters. That's a pretty large weir. It asks for the depth of water flowing over the crest and the discharge. And this time it says that neglect the losses. So I will write the information that I have here. You have a diversion channel. What was that? You have a weir here, 7 meters here. And it says that the depth of weir is 1.21 meter. The water upstream is 1.78 meter, which is the energy here. Again, I will write the same. Energy upstream, energy downstream, plus X. X is the height of weir. Plus HL. It says that neglect them. So you can just get rid of that part. Upstream equal to, I can say that it's a control point for weir, so critical. Plus X. Upstream, you have the energy here. I will keep EC plus 1.21, which is the depth of or the height of weir. Instead of EC, I will write 1.5 of YC, the famous equation just for rectangular, if you remember. You cannot use them for other cross sections. In this case, you should go for the original equation. If you solve it, YC will be around 40 centimeters. What does it ask? If I remember, it asks for Q and Y, right? So YC or Y. Done with that, just Q. The famous equation, Q2 will be equal to GY. Sorry, not Q. C. $9.81. You have YC. So you have discharge of 0.4 cubic meter per second per meter, because it's not like discharge, it's discharge per width. To find discharge, you need to multiply it by a B. 0. This number, cubic meter per second per meter, multiplied by the 7 meter. This goes with this. You have 5.14 cubic meter per second. The number of questions. Right now it's 7, but I didn't finalize yet. So, but it should be around 7. Maybe 6, but it's still 7. So I'm sure 2 hours is enough if you know how to work with the book. So when you are studying, that's the mistake that I did when I was a student as well. Just don't study, solve the problem. Like hold the pen and try to solve it. When you start writing, you will find what's wrong with the parts. But when you just say that, okay, this is stealing basing, I know what to do with that, probably you will not find the details that you have problems. So at least for each section, solve one problem. I mean, like really, really solve it, not just scan it. And that's the one that I posted for you. I think I have one more, but here, let me put more slides here. For this one, I have enough space. For this, I have enough space. Number 3. Look at the question first. It says spillway. So it's a type of a spillway question. But I will look that it asks me to design the spillway, or it just want to see how much discharge or other type of question. If it's a kind of design, you will notice that you have the discharge here. You have the head above it. The channel spillway depth is here. Coefficient is here. It asks for discharge coefficient in British unit, and it asks for length. So I try to sketch something first. It says a spillway, so probably it's a kind of dam here, right? Something like that. Discharge Q 61.5 cubic meter per second. It says that when the reservoir elevation is 1.25 above the crest. Crest is here. Crest. It says 1.25 above that. Back to the question. The approach channel to a spillway is 15 meter deep. So here we go. If I extend that, this hole is 15 meter deep. Any other information? Coefficient, you have it. So CD 2.05. Again, if it's around 2, you are in SI. And if you notice, it asks for CD in British unit. One question, it asks for L. So it's not a designing a spillway. It's just a simple question using the equation of discharge versus the head. I think I have all information except the L. CD is here. I don't have L. And for head, I need this one. Head is everything above the crest. That's your head. 1.25 over to 1.5. So L should be around 21 meter. So the 15 doesn't have anything to do. It's just like extra information. What should I do for British system? That's just playing with units. I will exchange that with units. For example, for Q, 61.4 multiplied by 35.5 to make it CFS or cubic feet per second. For L, it should be around this number, which is feet. H should be 4.1 feet. Replace it. Q, C, L, H, 1.4. So CD is going to be Q over L, H, 3 to 2. New numbers based on feet and the rest. 4.1, which gives you, so around 3 point something makes sense. In British, CD should be around 3 point something, sometimes 4. So for this type of question, read the question first because you need to find the head. Again, head is whatever above the crest. For this one, crest is here. For a weir, crest is whatever above the weir. So these are your H. Whenever you are using this equation, H is whatever above the crest.